Today we are unboxing the Netcomm 3G41WT, aka the Netcomm 3G 4G USB gateway. This is primarily sold in Australia by Telstra for use with their 4G modems, but is also compatible with their other modems such as the 312U, 306 and 308, Sierra Wireless, and the ZTE MF668, MF668A. So as you can see, it's currently in its box. The box is approximately 1 kilo, just under a kilo, and we will just take the shrink wrap off now. This device is going to be big for the new 4G modem from Telstra. So in there we have a wireless security card with default details, quick start guide, power pack, Australian because I'm in Australia, and then the device itself is in this box. Okay, let's see. Quite a thin device and a lot lighter without all the other items in the box. Now, as you can see, it has two USB ports. One can be for a 4G modem or a 3G modem, and the other can be for external storage such as a hard drive or USB stick. Inside here is where the power comes in, and up to 4 Ethernet devices can plug in. It's worth mentioning this device is a 300 meg wireless N device, and you can see there are lights for the 4 WAN devices, the 4 LAN devices. One can be WAN 2. This device can do failover from your existing connection. Signal, internet links, and the signal strength. It's got low, medium, high based on your signal strength. It's quite a nice stand and design. It's got that sort of piano finish, but it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet. Also comes with a USB extension cable, which is expandable. As you can see, which is quite handy for 4G modems because you might want to stick the actual modem in the window, and an Ethernet cable. So that's what's in the box. We'll be doing one soon with the little Wi-Fi router, and we'll also be doing a setup guide for this. The